How many times a day do you listen to your body? And how many times a day do you have a chance to see the sky? I'm going to NUE Island, which is famous as one of the sunset spots on the west coast of Korea. It's also called Hemi Island, and it's called NUE Island because it looks like a silkworm. Silkworm is called NUE in Korean. This place is flooded twice a day, and it's very spectacular. Our bodies are different every day. Some days, any movement brings me a pleasant challenge, but some days, no movement brings me a positive energy. I want you to take the time to look around as you live your life for my challenge. And I hope you don't miss the happiness the simple but great nature brings you. Your time is still counting. The first thing humans do in life, and the last thing they do before they die, is respiration. Breathe 100 times like the name of the movement. If you can feel a stable and strong powerhouse during a total of 10 sets of 5 inhalation and 5 exhalation breaths in one set, this will be your movement. Roll up your spine. The spine is beautiful architecture. And have fun stacking up. Extend from the bottom of your body to the top of your body. Your beautiful spine, which stands out from a fixed position, will breathe. The upper body, which was moving, now stands firm for the lower body, stretching every angle. And be careful not to put too much weight on your head. Don't fold the hip joints too much. Try to move from the lower abdomen. While one leg is drawing a pretty circle, part of the body on the ground is very important. Energy should come from the powerhouse and lift the lower abdomen to make your hip flexor feel comfortable. Imagine your body as continuing to grow up. Think of your body as a small ball. You can just sit by opening your knees slightly and attaching your heels. You'll feel like you're massaging your back while rolling. This is the first movement in the abdominal series. Don't forget that the power to pull a single leg is your powerhouse, not just your arm. The push and pull coexist in every movement. Your arms and legs try to stretch out from your strong body. This is a breathing exercise. Exhale when your energy gathers around, and inhale when your energy reaches out. Your feet are really good stretch when you pull your long legs a little longer. Adjust the angle of the legs from the abdomen so your hip doesn't move. It's hard to get exercise into your body as a habit, but once or twice, the stress that I get from the world is forgotten. The stress was also made by myself. Focusing on the body and mind can be a solution. Take your time for just 5 minutes. Light off your body. Listen to your body.